I'm going to show you how to paint your mega Nerf darts into glow in the dark so you can have a nighttime Nerf battle. The thing you do is get a screw and get it and twist it through here, and then you get it so it will help you to where you can spray it so it won't all roll around. So what I've done, I put a whole bunch of these in here. So now I have a lot of these to do. So when I get these open, I'm going to get it, and I'm going to get them on here, and I'm going to put them there, and it will help us spray it even easier. And so we can just spray it. So now it's time to get the paint and spray them. First we're going to use white primer in one, so it will stick good to the bullet. Then we're going to use some yellow highlighter. Then last, we're going to use glow in the dark paint. When you're painting, you don't want to do it too much because it'll make your darts too heavy. So you need to do it light and fast. Yes. Like this. To dry, so now we're gonna do the glow in the dark paint. Okay. I have to put 2 more coats because it says so on the label. Okay, so I just put the ones that we didn't on the side that we didn't paint, and so now we're gonna paint the second layer. Okay, so we let the second coat dry. Now we're putting the third coat on, and so when we're done with that, we're gonna once they're dry, we're gonna show you how awesome they look. Okay. Watch me as I turn off the lights. You can't even see the first one I did. They're not glowing as good right now, but on camera, so it'll be an epic Nerf battle in real life. If you like this video, please smash the like button and please subscribe.